Welcome to my channel. Oh, we got unbagging and unboxing. Little Bit is trying to act like he's untamed. I was a little worried that this might happen by getting him a playmate. So I might have to, you want out too? No, because we got an unboxing. Part of it's for you. It is called the Squawk Box Monthly. And it will depend on what's in here. Which so far I'm not liking because it's a small box. And for 40 bucks, I expected something bigger. You gonna get over here? This is yours. Anyways, there's a recipe in this thing. Seriously? This is it? This is all the... It's a cute toy, at least. Here's another toy. Okay, yeah, this was a definitely disappointment. It's not like they advertised. This I might as well just throw away. Dang. Jalapeno peppers. Yeah. This food, I gotta buy other ingredients to put with it. This is not what they advertised. Seriously? Now I gotta go buy maple syrup. Almond butter. And oats. To put with this. They don't get... Yeah. I will be definitely canceling this order. No more. This is the last. Yeah. So if you have a bird, stay away from that. Just put the toys over here. This is from Crashly. Oh, comes with a card. Let's open it up. With thanks. Linda, thank you so very much for another order. Kiss those birdies for me. Oh, I will. I am probably... got some stickers. Gonna be separating them into separate cages. Some little washi tape. And a little cover minder. As you see, they're release papers. Halloween themed. Isn't that cool? These ones I really liked. That is so cool. Thank you, Crashly. And that is all for today. And I will catch you another time. Here's a video of the birds for you to enjoy. We got something for the birdies. I did a video, a nugget there, that lasted a total of less than 2 minutes and has already got 200 views. So apparently you guys like to see them. So I will be adding them at the end of each video.